Dreaming of owning the stunning Lamborghini Revuelto? With its cutting-edge design and electrifying performance, it's a true supercar marvel. In this video from RevvClub, we'll explore the running costs of the Lamborghini Revuelto, from insurance and petrol to tires, servicing, brakes, and even repairs. Plus, we'll compare it to a few of its competitors, like the Ferrari SF90 and McLaren Artura, to see how it stacks up. Let's get started. The Lamborghini Revuelto represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Powered by a hybrid powertrain featuring a 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with electric motors, it produces a jaw-dropping 1,001 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of over 217 miles per hour. With its lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics, the Revuelto promises an exhilarating driving experience. But that high performance comes with significant costs. Let's start with insurance. As you'd expect, insuring a vehicle like the Lamborghini Revuelto isn't cheap. Falling into Insurance Group 50, UK drivers can expect to pay anywhere from £3,000 to £10,000 annually. For comparison, the Ferrari SF90 and McLaren Artura also sit in the same insurance group, but premiums for the Revuelto can be higher due to its hybrid technology and repair complexities. Here's an interesting fact about the Revuelto that many people may not know. It's the first Lamborghini to feature a hybrid powertrain that combines a naturally aspirated V12 engine with 3 electric motors. This innovative setup not only enhances performance, but also allows for an electric-only driving mode, making it more versatile than any previous Lamborghini model. Now let's talk about fuel economy. Lamborghini claims the Revuelto achieves around 20 miles per gallon combined, but real-world figures may be lower, especially if you're pushing it to its limits. With UK petrol prices averaging around £1.50 per litre, filling the 85-litre tank will cost you around £125 to £130. If you're frequently enjoying that V12 roar, you'll find yourself at the petrol station more often than you might think. For context, the Ferrari SF90 offers slightly better real-world economy, averaging around 22 miles per gallon, while the McLaren Artura sits around 25 miles per gallon. The Revuelto comes fitted with high-performance Pirelli P0 tires designed for maximum grip and handling. Replacing all 4 tires will set you back around £2,000 to £2,500, including fitting. Given the performance nature of these tires, you should budget for replacements every 8,000 to 12,000 miles, depending on your driving style. Servicing the Lamborghini Revuelto is crucial and can be quite expensive. The service schedule is every 9,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. A minor service, which includes an oil change and basic checks, will cost around £800 to £1,200. Major services, required every 18,000 miles, involve more extensive work and can cost between £2,500 and £4,000. Don't forget about brake fluid, which needs changing approximately every 2 years at around £150 to £200. The Revuelto features high-performance carbon ceramic brakes, essential for its capabilities. Replacing the front brake pads will cost around £1,200 to £1,800, while rear pads are slightly cheaper. If you need to replace the discs, expect costs of around £4,000 to £6,000 per axle. Labor for brake replacements can also add another £500 to £1,000 per axle, depending on whether you use an official Lamborghini dealer or an independent specialist. While Lamborghini creates incredible machines, the Revuelto isn't without its quirks. One common issue involves the hybrid system, which can lead to repair costs ranging from £2,000 to £5,000, depending on the severity. Additionally, some owners report electrical issues, particularly with the infotainment and driver assistance systems. Repairs for these can range from £1,000 to £2,500. Owning the Lamborghini Revuelto is about more than just driving. It's an experience. With insurance, fuel, tires, servicing, brakes, car tax, and potential repairs, expect to budget around £5,000 to £8,000 per year on running costs for brakes, servicing, and tires alone. The Revuelto offers an unparalleled combination of performance and luxury. But is it worth the extra expense compared to its rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching RevvClub. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your dream car with us. Would you take the plunge and purchase a Revuelto? See you in the next video!